Alright guys, this is basic training how to make money on eBay, Amazon, online by doing arbitrage. Okay, this is what I started 3 years ago and this is what helped me to pay my bills. Okay, so let's go straight away to the point. Uh, Remember, I'm going to show you how it works for internationals. The best what you can see out there, this is with the focus for internationals, but this as well will gonna work for Americans if you are American. Okay, it's just we have to switch the focus a little bit for internationals here. So this course is a step-by-step process, and you will gonna see a lot of things what I'm doing over my shoulder. And basically um, it's so simple. Let's just begin. We have eBay account, and we are moving the product from Amazon to eBay.com, right? I'm not doing any China products, any AliExpress products. No, this is not about that. This is just moving products from Amazon.com to eBay.com. It doesn't matter where you live. You can be in Italy, in Greece, in Slovakia, in Russia, in Siberia, in Australia, in China, Taiwan. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter absolutely. Africa, Nigeria works the same. Good. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Right. So let's say, for example, let's go to Amazon. Let's go to Amazon and let's look for something like whatever. Doesn't matter. We have to dish rack. There is a dish rack, right? Let's look for a dish rack. It's just because I was recently in my kitchen. I saw dish rack. Dish rack. Okay. We just need to. We can take basically any of this. Let's take this dish rack, $13. Let's imagine that we found a product on Amazon, dish rack, and we want to sell this dish rack for a profit, which would be if we sell for $20, after fees, PayPal and eBay fees, we will have $17 in our pocket. Okay, so is it possible to take this dish rack for $17 here and to list it on eBay and to sell it for 20? Then we have 17 and we got how much? We got 13, 17, $4 profit, which is 20%, right? Okay, so we are not going to buy this. We don't have to buy this. We don't have to touch it. We don't have to ship it. We don't have to wrap in. All what we have to do is we just copy and paste. We copy this deluxe chrome plated steel small dish drainer. Okay, dish drainers. All right, we copy this and let's go to eBay. Remember, $13 here on eBay. Let's paste there and see if somebody is selling the same for more than $30. Oh my gosh, here is one crazy guy, 139. This is not the same. This is our where the 2 dishes, 2 forks, 2 knives, and 2 glasses. Yeah, 24, double price. Somebody is selling 20 for 14. A little, it's a red one. It's not the same. So 42, 45. Crazy prices. This is it's just crazy. But let us go and see if there is something like sold listings here. What has been sold for? Is there anything sold for? Okay, so there is 43.93. It's sold. It's sold for 43.93. Isn't that amazing? You see, this guy, he got this dish rack for $13. Sorry, $13 on Amazon, and he sold it for 33, 43, 44. So he got roughly about, let me see, 44, 44, 7, 43, 37, 37. My calculation is slow. 37 and 13. About 25, $24. $25, $24 pure profit after all the fees, right? This guy didn't bought the you don't have to pre-buy the product. You just, all you need is just to choose one product on Amazon, this dish rack, go to your eBay account, open the eBay store or your eBay account and list the same product. And this is what this training will gonna show you: how to find the products, how to list them, how to make pictures, how to make keywords, how to put all those, set up the settings. And there will gonna be a webinars. You're gonna watch me doing a live product search over my shoulder. You will gonna see on my screen. Um, you were gonna watch me doing the listings, the keywords, creating the titles, etc. to make a profit. This is just what this course is about. Just I created this course to set you up and to get you up running your account and to become successful. And this is so simple, guys, if you just know what to do in a proper way. Okay, so thanks for watching, and let's begin. I will gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.